Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or any other vehicle we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, a 2020 Ram Crew Cab 5500 cab chassis. This is the 84 CA. It's going to give you 11-foot service body, which we already have put on this vehicle. That's something we do here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We do once we get the chassis, the cab chassis like this, we usually don't hesitate on go ahead and already putting on the upfit package onto the unit. So what that means to the end user like yourself is you're going to get the product at a faster rate than any other dealer in the country. A lot of guys are going to tell you it's going to take 6, 8, 10, 12, sometimes even 20 weeks to get some product as far as the for example, the service body or the flatbed, whatever it may be, on the back of these cab chassis. Not here at Sherry Chrysler. Either we have them already on the vehicle or we have access to getting the bed or upfit ASAP. So make sure you give us a phone call for more details. Starting off on the front of this vehicle, as you can see, it does have the upgraded chrome package, which is going to give you the chrome front bumper, runs along the bottom, and also the Ram is chromed out as well, the logo there. And as you can probably hear, this is the Cummins turbo diesel, guys. Extremely quiet. I'm standing this close to the truck and I'm not yelling over this camera. Definitely an awesome feature. They've definitely done a great job on getting these diesel motors a lot quieter than they have been in the past. Upgraded factory running boards. And like I said, guys, this is an 11-foot service body. It's going to give you 4 doors on each side. One large one, as you can see in the very front. I'm not going to open every door, but I'll open this first one. As you can see, it's very large and it does have adjustable shelving in this one as well. Also with this 11-foot service body, this is a Knapheide 11-foot service body. I'm sorry I did not mention that. So it is one of the top-of-the-line service bodies out in the industry at this time. 11-foot storage right there in the back. Upgraded tow hitch right down here on the bottom with a 7 and 4-pin wiring hook up there on your side. This vehicle does come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. It also comes with extended coverage on the powertrain and much more as far as coverage. If you want to know more details about what is covered and what is not covered on that, once again, please give us a phone call. You can also inquire online and we can give you all those details. Power side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. This does have a vinyl floor throughout the front and the back. We did upgrade it with these rubber Ram floor mats. Very nice. You can take them out very easily, spray them down, and you're good to go. Work grade Ram vinyl. Very nice upgraded vinyl seating. Definitely can hold some serious, it's very durable, I should say. So this center console here, it does flip up to make it a 6-passenger inside the cab, or you can leave it down for your cup holders, and also your nice armrest here, leather wrapped, and also it does have a storage compartment underneath that. I did not mention outside, but this particular bed, the Knapheide service body on it, we do have a remote on it, so you can simply lock it by when you're at the job site by hitting the button and unlock it. No more need of going around to each bin with this key and unlocking it and make sure you're locking it when you're done. You can do that obviously with the key here, but you do have the remote capability. On the steering wheel, we do have hands-free capability here up top, so you can program your phone directly into this vehicle. No more reaching for your phone while driving down the road. Simply hit the phone button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. These 4 buttons down here, it's going to operate your instrument cluster located here in the center of the dash. It's going to tell you everything you need to know about this vehicle when it's running, to how fast you're going, idle hours, drive hours, total hours, miles per gallon, average miles per gallon, fuel economy, temperatures of your coolant systems that are running, and much more. On the right hand side, you're going to have all your cruise control features located right here, and then you have the capability of shifting your transmission if need be manually. A nice touchscreen radio. This is AM FM Sirius XM radio as well. Sirius XM does come with a free subscription with this, and it is all touchscreen inside there as well. Underneath that, we have all your climate control features, and then right underneath that, we have a factory brake control. We also do have 4 auxiliary switches located right, or 5 auxiliary switches located right here, and then 1 PTO. exhaust brake and tow haul button. Plenty of charging ports as needed. And as you're going to see in the back, there is a lot of room for your rear passengers while going down the road. We do have that rubber floor mat back there as well. Easy to clean up. Plenty of storage underneath the seat. Sorry about that. So like I said, if you're looking for a work truck, we do have them in stock. Not just this one. We stock 10 to 15 of them at a time. We do ship nationwide. So no matter where you're located in the country, we understand your time is precious. You're running a business. You need to make sure your trucks are on the road running. We can deliver this vehicle right to your work site, right to your house, wherever you want it to be, no matter where you're located in the country. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're online, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. There we're going to have a bunch of pictures and a full description of this unit. Also, if you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And don't forget, for all your heavy-duty commercial needs, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.